Renaulution, that's the name we've chosen for our short, mid, and long-term strategic plan. One simple slogan, it will be moving our focus from volume to value. We have 3 phases. First phase is resurrection, running from 2020 to 2023. It will be clearly about cost reduction, margin, and cash generation. Renovation, spanning from 2023 to 2025. This is when we will benefit from a completely new and revamped lineup, electric and electrified. And then third phase is revolution. From 2025 onwards, it's about becoming a player in the data, energy, and services.
We no longer talk about market shares, sales, and synergy records. We talk about profit, cash, and investment effectiveness.
Renaulution means also a fundamental rethinking of our go-to-market strategy. We'll stay only if we see the potential to make a profit. Let me show you the playbook of our product renovation strategy. We'll regain our legitimate rank in the C and the D segment with a total of 11 electric or hybrid new models. We'll manage this offensive while maintaining our leading position in the small car segment with 5 electric or hybrid new models. We will secure our position in the LCV segment with 6 models, of which 3 pure electric. And most importantly, we will be profitable in all segments. For the Renault brand, we say la nouvelle vague of European automotive. We will turn Renault into a tech brand, into a service brand, into an energy brand. In 2025, we will be launching 14 Renault core vehicles. 7 will be full electric vehicles, 7 will be in the C and the D segment. I know by experience that when you are able to reinvent some cult products of the brand, it lights a fire under the whole brand. This is what we expect with the new Renault 5.
I'm happy to present you the brands Dacia and Lada together. Our strategy for the 2 brands consists in 4 pillars. Maintain the unique business model based on design to cost competitiveness and lean distribution. Enhance industrial synergies between Dacia and Lada with CMF-B platform and diversity reduction. Reinforce brand identities for each brand. Expand lineup in C segment and increase average price. And now Dacia. Shall I say tout simplement? Take a look at this. This is the new C segment SUV by Dacia, the Bigster concept car.
Welcome to Alpine, the avant-garde brand of the group. More than ever, the future of Alpine is electric. We leverage the Alliance EV platforms to launch a B-segment hot hatch and a C-segment crossover, 100% electric. And we will team up with another legendary brand to imagine the future A110, electric, of course. Together with Lotus, we will develop the next generation of EV sports cars. And F1 in particular will remain at the heart of our brand.
Let's now move beyond automotive. Mobilize is a brand on a mission. Mobilize will provide access to vehicles and mobility services directly to end users through corporates and cities. We'll offer a unique combination of hardware and software, dedicated vehicles, and leading-edge services. Tomorrow, by offering access to cars from 1 minute to a lifetime, we will create a unique value proposition for end users. Let's now take a sneak peek at our cards up our sleeve. This lineup is adapted to the most critical new mobility needs: car sharing, ride-hailing, last-mile delivery. And we're also working on on-demand transit.
The most important thing for me is that Renaulution is Renault people's plan.